Welcome back to another BdThemes tutorial. Today we're exploring the Component Disabling module of the Smart Admin Assistant plugin by BdThemes. This module helps you streamline your WordPress dashboard by reducing unnecessary features, such as Gutenberg and Comments. By turning off unused components, you can create a cleaner, faster, and more efficient admin experience for you and your clients. Let's see it in action. To get started, open your Smart Admin Assistant dashboard and locate the list of modules on the left-hand side. From there, choose the Component Disabling module to access its settings. This module provides the flexibility to turn off unused WordPress components, helping you maintain a cleaner, faster, and more efficient admin environment. The first section you'll find is called Gutenberg Editor Control. Here you'll notice a toggle switch labeled Disable Gutenberg Globally. When this switch is enabled, it completely turns off the Gutenberg editor across all post types and automatically reverts your editing experience to the classic editor. Once you enable it, open any post to see the change. Initially, you may still see the Gutenberg editor, but after refreshing the page, it will switch to the classic editor interface. If you prefer to disable Gutenberg only for certain post types, simply keep the global toggle off. This will activate another option called Disable Gutenberg for specific post types, allowing you to choose exactly where Gutenberg should be turned off. You can select post types such as posts, pages, floating elements, mega menu items, template items, patterns, and navigation menus. Some options, like Media and My Templates, appear grayed out because these post types do not support the Gutenberg editor. Next, you'll see the Comment System Control section, which allows you to manage the commenting functionality across your site. The first option, Disable Comments Globally, completely turns off comments everywhere on your website when enabled. If you leave this option off, you'll gain access to another setting, Disable Comments for specific post types. This lets you decide where to allow or restrict comments, giving you control over post types like posts, pages, media, and floating elements. The remaining options, including My Templates, mega menu items, template items, patterns, and navigation menus, are grayed out since they do not support comments. Just below that, there's a handy toggle labeled Close Comments on Old Content. Enabling this feature automatically closes comments on posts that are older than a certain number of days, which you can easily define. After enabling the switch, you can specify the number of days after which comments will automatically close. At the bottom of the module, you'll find the Reset to Defaults button. This option restores all settings in the Component Disabling module to their original state. It's especially useful if you want to start fresh, revert any unwanted changes, or troubleshoot configuration issues. And that's it. The Component Disabling module simplifies customization of your WordPress environment by turning off unnecessary features, resulting in a cleaner, more organized, and streamlined admin experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest features and modules from Smart Admin Assistant. Thanks for watching.